Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to the virtual showroom. I'm going to show you a gorgeous 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe premium all-wheel drive local trade bought here. Just came in on trade for another Santa Fe, so always happy to get our own trades or any trade for that back. So again, it's a premium all-wheel drive, lots of standard interior features, which I'll show you very shortly. They call the 5-passenger the Sport all-wheel drive. You have the nice gunmetal alloy rims, so it kind of matches the color very nicely, which is nice. And we do these walkarounds to be completely transparent, so you can see the body's in nice shape. Alloy wheels, you got fog lights, you got a bug deflector, genuine Hyundai bug deflector, which helps definitely keep the stone chips away. So you can see the hood's in good shape. Glass, roof, no major damage from a snow brush or anything. You have the side rails here, so you can always add cross rails if you have a ski box or anything like that, or a kayak carrier. So definitely a versatile SUV. Santa Fe's definitely been popular for many years now. You get the WeatherTech mats for the front and the back. So right there, that's about $500 or 400 and so of extra features. So WeatherTech mats, put those on the ground. You got some additional storage down here, so that's good. Keeps everything safe, so you have something, you're going in the mall, you want to protect your stuff. There you go, you got your jack. So again, very versatile. These seats are independently folding. So again, you can fold that middle down, keep the two up. You have anchors on all three seats as well for any child systems that you may have, like I do. So again, very versatile. Fold those seats down if you need a little bit of cargo space. Maybe you're going golfing, need a little bit of extra space. Lumber, something like that. Definitely a versatile vehicle, hence why the Santa Fe has been popular for so very long. I'll show you the back seats really quickly. So again, nice cloth seats. This here can come in, but you also have some cup holders as well. You can fold that up, room for 5 passengers. You get 2-stage heated seats on the rear, outside passenger seats. You also get these nice sunshades, which is great in the summertime or even in the winter to keep the sun off your pets or your kids. And you got some rear ventilation, and you got a 12-volt there. So lots of standard features in the Santa Fe. You don't have to go to the top of the line to get all this. So again, premium all-wheel drive. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have a power driver's seat with lumbar support. You also have locking rear windows, which is a nice feature if you have kids. So additionally, you get you can adjust your interior illumination. You have downhill brake assist control. You have traction control. You have active eco, which means you drive the vehicle in the most efficient manner. You have a heated steering wheel, my favorite feature, and you have all-wheel drive lock for one of those really snowy winter days, which none of us want to talk about for a very long time. So we're going to jump in really quick. Turn the vehicle on. Show you some of the additional features. You have volume controls. You have all your volume controls on the left-hand side with your Bluetooth hands-free calling. You also have your cruise controls right here. You can also drive the vehicle in normal, comfort, or sport mode. So again, it's electric steering, so it'll tighten or loosen the steering wheel. You have your information center here, which you can toggle through and personalize some of the features to your specifications. On top of that, you have 3-stage heated seats. On both sides, you have parking sensors, which you can turn on or off. The reason I would turn them off sometimes if you get a little bit of ice buildup back on there in the wintertime, they can kind of wreak havoc with some sensors, but other than that, it's a good thing to leave on. You have all your plug-ins and USBs down here. You have dual zone climate control, which is also a great feature if you're like my wife and I. One is always a little bit cooler or hotter than the other. Front rear defrost, and your radio system right here. There you go. With Sirius, does this one have Sirius XM, Lucy? Yes, it does, Sirius XM. So again, if you have a subscription or you're looking for subscription, you can add that to this vehicle. So again, some great features in a 2016 Santa Fe premium all-wheel drive. So again, to recap, we just looked at a 2016 Santa Fe premium all-wheel drive local trade. You can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. You can also shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. As always, we are open, and we look forward to meeting you soon.